Aceinotec Manufacturing Private Limited is a manufacturing company established in the year 2006, located in Peenya, Bangalore, India. Catering to aerospace and defense segments and serving international customers of Israel, UAE, and US. Aceinotec offers solutions right from investment casting, metal processing, forging, machining, automated turning, metal injection molding, plastic injection molding, and sub-assemblies, and many more. The company has built up a strong capability, smart factory with new technologies, engineering, excellent supply chain, process-oriented and value-added services, which gives it a full-service supply capability, from product conceptualization to designing and manufacturing. The main business of the company is to manufacture defense components and precision aerospace components. Some of the prestigious clients' global levels are IWI Israel, also including Creed Monarch Inc. USA, Punj Lloyd Group, Caracal UAE, Entropy New York, and many more. Since inception, this prestigious organization has been a valued customer of BFW, contributing more than 20% of their machine tools in the shop floor against imports. It's our privilege to introduce MD GB John, founder and director Aceinotec, to learn and understand their needs to meet their challenges in advanced manufacturing.
Myself, GB John from Aceinotec Manufacturing Private Limited. We started this firm in 2006 as just three of us with one machine. Today, we cater to the aerospace and the defense industry all around the world, having an employee strength of around 200 people and 30 CNCs, and well-equipped and technologically know-how to cater to any components manufactured in and out of the country. We are one of the best exporters of defense components to the Israeli government and to the United States and UAE. We manufacture components for the small arms, defense, which in turn comes and caters to the Indian Army. I started my journey in 2007, January. The first mission was a BFW Agni, and in 2007, December, I picked up the first Vayu machine, which was made by BFW. And then in 2009, I picked up a Gaurav, and in 2011, we picked up a Vajra. That was the bread and butter of this company that is today catering to the world. The confidence level, what I have got from BFW is simple. Last 14 years, my machines has never stopped for even an hour. My customers, all who stood with us in the good and the bad times to make sure that we reach what we had promised. Looking forward, we would like to get associated with BFW, and I have heard now they have come up with the 5th axis and multi-purpose machines, which we are looking at then getting imported machines. Why not promote our own country welfare? And the success story will be better than what we can expect in the next years to come by. Thank you.